How to block someone on Zoomerang. So hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to block a person in Zoomerang. To block a person here at Zoomerang, all we need to do is open up our Zoomerang. So once we open up our Zoomerang right here, we may choose a friend. If you have any friends, added friends, you can choose a friend right there and you can block him. Or if you have somebody you don't like here, you can just block them right here. So right now, I don't have any friends right here, anybody to block. So I'm just choose randomly. So as you can see right now, we have here the feature. We're gonna choose person random. We're gonna just block this person right here. But don't worry, we unblock right there. Okay, there you go. We're gonna pause that, and on the top right corner, you will see your profile right there. Press on that right there, and as you can see right now, there you go. Oopsie, oopsie. Let's see. Sorry guys, there we go. Prick. There you go. Once you're here at the profile right here, on the top right corner you will see the three dots on the top right corner. Press on the three dots on the top right corner. After pressing on the three dots on the top right corner, you will see block user. All you need to do to block this user is click on block user right here. So once you block the user, you won't be able to access any of your current content and know about blocking. Then click on block right there. This user is blocked. So now that user is now blocked. So now we can go back. So right here, once we're here, all we need to do is to, let's say you want to unblock the person, click on three dots on top right corner. After pressing on the three dots on top right corner, click on settings right here. After pressing on settings right there, here you'll be located right here. And the next thing you need to do is click on privacy and safety. Once here, you will see block users just right here. Now, to unblock the person, you will see an unblock right there. Press on the unblock when you want to unblock that person. So there you go guys, that's how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more questions or concerns, you can type it in the comment section below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here. How to rock it guys. So there you go guys, and thank you guys.